The Department of Education indicated this week that hundreds of thousands of student loan borrowers may soon benefit from a recent expansion of Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF, a key federal student loan forgiveness program. More than 1 million student loan borrowers could benefit from RIS. "You're one of them," wrote Richard Cordray, Chief Operating Officer of the Department of Education's Federal Student Aid Office, in a blast email to borrowers this week. Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF, allows borrowers to obtain student loan forgiveness after 10 years of employment for qualifying nonprofit or public organizations. The original PSLF rules were complicated and onerous, however. The program's requirements limit relief to borrowers who have specific kinds of federal student loans, direct program federal student loans, which must then be repaid under certain kinds of repayment plans, in most cases, an income-driven repayment plan. Borrowers would have to submit employment certification forms to get their payments counted as qualifying, and many reported numerous problems with the certification process. The PSLF program in general has suffered from poor administration and oversight, and the rules and requirements were not always properly communicated to borrowers. The result has been abysmally low approval rates, which never rose above the low single digits. To address PSLF's shortcomings, the Biden administration in October announced a sweeping, temporary new initiative called the Limited PSLF Waiver Program. Under the waiver, the Education Department will, for a limited time, count periods of repayment that otherwise would not have qualified for PSLF, including payments made on non-direct federal loans, such as FFA loans and Perkins loans, payments that were made under non-income-driven repayment PL. According to the department, so far over 70,000 borrowers have already gotten their loans forgiven under the limited PSLF waiver, to the tune of around $5 billion in total student loan forgiveness. So far, most of the relief granted under the limited PSLF waiver has been awarded to borrowers who already were meeting at least some of the key requirements under the original PSLF program, meaning they already have direct federal student loans, and already had certified their employment by Submit.